everyone! As a supplement to my module Webinars That Work, I have decided to create a little video for everybody on what you can wear during webinars, especially if you are the speaker, the host, or the presenter. Okay, so tip number one on what to wear. Wear jewel tones. So like what I'm wearing right now, you can wear navy, turquoise, you can wear teal is also nice, or you can wear bright colored tops like this, so it's orange or green, basta bright, or also yellow, so you can see how you will stand out from the sea of faces in your webinar. So yung mga Zoom accounts, di ba, ang daming mga faces, so that you have to stand out as a speaker, as a host, or as a presenter. Okay, so that's tip number one. Tip number two. See my background? Okay, avoid wearing the color of your background para hindi ka magbe-blend in. So this one is brown, wood, rattan. So I avoid wearing brown colors. Also white, because this one's white. If you're going to be on a virtual background, for example, the organizer or the producer has a background for you, ask. So that you know what colors to complement that background that you will have. So make sure to ask para hindi ka magbe-blend in. Okay, so that's tip number two. Tip number three. This has to do with women. This has to do with jewelry. So since nakikita natin, this is the cut. Ito hanggang shoulders lang ang nakikita sa atin. Try to wear statement jewelry. So statement jewelry, earrings, big earrings. Okay, marami tayong mga local designers who can do that for you. Farah Abu, my friend, is one who made this. No, the one who made this is different, and then this one, the other one is Twinkle Ferrari. So you can try them. Or statement necklaces. So this one is from Pinasadya. This is made of tabs. Yung pull tabs ng mga Coke, ng mga inumin na ganyan. So pull tab siya. But see? It's big. It's a statement necklace. But okay, avoid wearing jewelry that makes a sound. Like for me, for example, I'm actually a visual kinesthetic. So when I explain, I use my hands. I move. So when you move, gagalaw yung mga jewelry and it's very distracting. So, iwasan natin magsuot ng mga maiingay, na mga tutunog, may mga kumakalembang sa kamay natin. So, avoid doing that. For guys naman, try to have something that will pop out also. So, kung dark color yung suit mo, yung loob, try to wear something that's bright also inside para lumiwanag ng konti yung mukha mo. Alright? Okay, so those are the 3 tips on what you can wear when you're doing your webinars, especially if you're a host, a presenter, again, or a speaker. So if you want to learn more about what makes webinars work, log on to www.valeriefisher.net and you can have a schedule, book a schedule with me and your team, and we can discuss it more thoroughly. Okay? Thank you!